welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an easy homemade toothpaste using oatmeal and turmeric. Yeah, this toothpaste is really nice. I love the toothpaste myself, and I want to share the recipe with you guys so that you can see how you can whiten up your teeth at home without making use of baking soda. That is because so many people have a problem with using baking soda on their teeth because of their enamel. Okay, so this remedy doesn't have anything to do with baking soda. It is very easy to make, and I promise you are going to love it when you actually try it out.
We rely heavily on your support to continue creating content like this, as this channel doesn't have any display ad on it. Please support us by using the super thanks button. Send any amounts that you are comfortable with, and this will go a long way in helping us create better content for you.
If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the video helpful. Turn the notification bell on so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. When you see my video pop up on your screen, don't hesitate to click on it. Also, do open up the description box. I have some links there for you to check out as well. And visit my vlog channel, Eti and Mark. That is where I share my lifestyle videos with my husband, and I'm sure you are going to like my last video, so check that out. And then let's quickly get right into the preparation of this homemade toothpaste without using baking soda, and I promise you, you are going to love it. Let's get into it. What I'll be using for this is turmeric powder. Turmeric here has been known to help whiten the teeth. Although turmeric stains the skin, it is proven to help whiten and brighten up the skin. It helps to get rid of dental plaque. It contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which is going to help soothe swollen gum. And then the antibacterial properties in it is going to help kill any bad bacteria in the mouth and help to get rid of mouth odor. The next ingredient I'll be using for this is lemon. And lemon here contains antiseptic, antibacterial properties. It also helps to brighten up the teeth. It helps to whiten it because it contains these bleaching properties, which helps to get rid of stains which may be found on the teeth. The next thing I'll use for this is white oat. So oat here is going to act as our base for this homemade toothpaste. If you don't have oat, you can make use of rice flour if you have any rice flour instead of this. You'll also be making use of a toothpaste, and here I have my Colgate toothpaste, the one with the whitening strips. So toothpaste here, this Colgate toothpaste is going to help foam up the whole remedy, and then it's also going to help brighten up and get rid of stains faster. To prepare this, I'll be needing a small bowl like this. Then I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of oat into this bowl. And then the next ingredient I'll be adding is the fresh lemon juice, and I'll be adding about 2 teaspoonfuls to this. After adding the lemon, I'll go in with my turmeric powder, and I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of this turmeric powder to it. Then the next ingredient is this toothpaste that I have here, and I'm just going to squeeze in the normal amount that I will use when brushing. And this is what the whole mixture looks like. So I'll just go ahead and stir this all up. You can see that we have a very thick paste over here. So I'll go ahead and show you how to use this on your teeth. For the practical aspect, I have my toothbrush here with me. So go ahead and get a toothbrush. either your normal toothbrush or you make use of an old toothbrush like what I'm using right now. And then I'm just going to dip that into this toothpaste and just take out the normal amount like I would when I want to brush. Here is what it looks like. So I'll just go ahead and use this all over and just use it to brush just the normal way I would brush. So that is exactly what you should do. So I'll go ahead, spit this out, wash my mouth, rinse my mouth, and then I'll get back to you. So after brushing and rinsing my mouth, this is what my teeth looks like. The turmeric stain is not on my teeth. Like I said earlier, it's not going to stain your teeth. So using turmeric won't stain your teeth at all, and it's not on my teeth. And then it's actually it tastes kind of sweet because of the oatmeal that is in it and the toothpaste. So it has this kind of sweet taste. It is not harsh in the mouth at all. It is not harsh to the gum. So just go ahead, make use of this remedy, and let me know your results in the comment section below. That was just the simple way to prepare and make use of the homemade toothpaste. It's so easy, as you can see. Ingredients that you can easily get your hands on. Like I said, if you can't get your hands on the oats, do make use of the rice flour. For this recipe, it works out wonders as well. And then don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. I do really need your thumbs. Like the video down below, subscribe on your way out, and turn on the notification bell so that next time you see my video on your feed, don't hesitate to click on it, okay? Because I'm going to be dishing out beautiful and very informative content on this channel, okay? Also, don't forget to check out my vlog channel where I make videos with my husband, and I promise you are going to like my last video, so do head over there and watch it as well. And I will see you in my next video, okay? Bye.